Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome. My name is Martina, and for my regular viewers, welcome back. So in my last video I showed you my Shado Beni plant, right? And I did a little discussion about it, the different names and so forth. So today I want to talk about how we're going to grow this plant, right? Also known as culantro, right, from the seeds. Now what I'm focusing here right now is the flowers, right, from this plant. These leaves down here, and this particular plant is growing off some flowers. And let me show you where the seeds are. The seeds are on the top here. These are the seeds here, right? Now these seeds are green, as you could see, and these are not the best time for them to put them in the soil for them to grow. What is the procedure is that they allow them to get dry and then put them in the soil, allow them to grow. So let me show you how we do that. I have another plant here where the flowers have already dried, and as you can see here at the top, these seeds are dried here. So this is where this is the phase where I'm going to take them out from the flowers, the dry flowers, and put them in the soil. At this point I will just cut off the entire branch of the flowers and discard that. So I will do that now. So I'll just basically just take that off there like that. I'm going to put in some soil. I have a little pot here, and I'll just sprinkle them in the soil here like that, and I will do so with another set of seeds. Let's come back here and just pick off that and just sprinkle the seeds in the little soil. So just lightly water these pots with these seeds and just allow them to do their thing. Somebody also suggested that you could also use as the flowers begin to grow like this, you cut them and allow the leaves to grow bigger, more fuller, right? You could leave the flowers if you want to get seeds, right? Somebody said you could cut off the flowers, allow the seeds to dry, and then plant them, right? But I just somehow just like to see the flowers. I'll leave it for a little while, and then eventually I may cut it off. I don't know what I'm going to do, but for now I'm going to leave it like this and allow the seeds to dry like how I did for the other one. But like I said before, somebody said that when you cut the flowers off, the leaves will get more leaves, right? So you cut the flowers, allow it to dry, and let the seeds, everything to dry, and then you'll just pick up the seeds and put them in the soil, allow them to grow.